How to verify your identity on Upwork. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can verify your identity on Upwork. Now, first things first, as you know, during your sign up, Upwork will ask you to enter in every necessary details on your profile. So you'll have to enter each and every details and add in a picture, and you'll have to set your profile completely. Now once you do so, once you have completed your profile, what you can do is you can simply wait for Upwork to contact you through mail. Once you get the mail, what you can do is you can go ahead through the verification. Now they might video call you, and then you'll have to submit or show your necessary verification, such as government issued ID, a valid government issued ID. The country on your Upwork profile should match the country of your ID as well. Make sure your Upwork profile photo is yourself and accurately represents your current appearance. So this way you can verify your identity on Upwork. All you have to do is you'll have to complete your profile and wait. Now you can see I've completed my profile and I'm waiting here. So later I'll be getting the mail which I'll be able to verify. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment out below if you have any further issues.